Happy Veganuary, day 26. Today we're making vegan butterbeer. I just finished reading the Harry Potter series, which was awesome, and I thought it would be a great way to celebrate. My favorite characters are Fred and George. Who is your favorite character? Let me know in the comments below. Refrigerate a 400 milliliter can of coconut milk overnight to get the cream to come to the top. Open and separate. The coconut water would be great to save for a smoothie like the one I made on day 1 of Veganuary. To start, heat a pot with 180 milliliters of brown sugar and stir for 1 minute. Be careful to not stop stirring. Add the separated coconut cream and 1 milliliter of coarse sea salt. Keep stirring. After it has all melted down, bring it to a boil, reduce to a simmer on low for about 15 minutes. And this is just gonna make the butterscotch. You can use this for anything. Basically, you could just put this on ice cream or whatever. Pour into a heat-safe jar. This would make enough butterbeer for 2 or 3 glasses. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Add 7 milliliters of butter to 125 milliliters of butterscotch. Now we're gonna stir this until it's melted. Carefully stir in 350 milliliters of club soda. Be careful. The mixture will fizz quite a bit. All right, cheers. Let's try it. It's so foamy. That's so good. This is so delicious and sweet. At least I didn't have to wait till year 3 to drink this. This is awesome.